Hi, I'm Mike and I make videos of my allotment in East Sussex. Following on from last week, I was pleasantly surprised at the encouragement I received from the subscribers to the content brought about by the isolation due to the current lockdown restrictions. Weather has been muchly improved, enabling me to do the final cutting and autumn treat on my 2 lawns at home, and the unboxing of a garden allotment toolbox which we bought on eBay, and that's given some material for a couple of videos. But I'm going to concentrate on the unboxing. Will become obvious for reasons which will become clear. We bought a similar box to this one on eBay during the previous week, and after checking the parts we found some to be damaged. This purchase was not what we wanted, which if we had done an unboxing video we would have saved on an amount of grief, or if we'd have looked up and viewed the star ratings and comments, which eBay and Amazon prefer one to do, including uploading your own video. My son took charge and ordered and paid for a new box from a new supplier after checking reviews. I had 11 clips of film. I didn't use all of them. A lot of them the lighting was too poor, but there was sufficient in there to demonstrate: one, the delivery, was it up to scratch? Did it come on time? Well, it was actually before the advised date. The contents, were they damaged? Were they all there? Yes, they were all there. And then the last one was putting the box together. Did it go together easy? Yes, quite easy. And the amazing thing about it was that as it went together, the box got stronger. So that's what Arthur did when he selected his clips, and he placed them into 3 sections. And as I said before, the first 5 clips was basically the delivery, and it was delivered within the proposed timescale. That then brings us on to the second set of clips, and again 5 clips were selected, and this was checking the content. And what we're looking for in checking the content is, were instructions included? Yes, they were. Could they be read? Yes, they could. Did they list the items? Yes, they did. And was there any damage? No, there wasn't. And then the last one, we put the box together, and that went just as the instructions said. We could read them, they were easy to follow, and it looked okay. But again, we had a slight wobble because the front panel, we couldn't differentiate which was the front panel and which was the back, and there's just a slight difference. There's a slot in the middle, and you can see that we point out where it is, and that denotes where the keep for the catch goes. And so once we'd sorted that out, it went straight together, and it went together very quickly. Now, the total number of clips that we took summed up to, let's say, 20 minutes. And that was the actual time that it took from taking delivery from the front door, taking it into the back and putting it together. That was certainly no longer than half an hour. So it was easy to put together, even with the slight wobbles that we had. So Arthur can now take those set of 3 clips to be welded together, and he sends them off to the post room. Okay, Arthur, you can set this off now. Here it goes. And I mentioned the post room in last week's upload, but I never said what it was, where it was. Well, the post room is a drop-down menu at the top right-hand corner. It's got a strange square and an arrow in it, signifying what it means. I've not found anything that describes what that item is. It's certainly not in any description, but the main item that's in there is the file, and when you put something into the file, it joins them all back again into one complete video strip, and then you can add to that with Bernard's items. So that's what's happened. Arthur sent his clip into the file. The file was then completed into a single strip. It goes back to Bernard, and Bernard then adds on the points that he made in the cinema. Arthur and Bernard are now in the assembly room or on the assembly bench. And it's Bernard's turn this time, and he takes his clip and he just places it on top, and he can move up and down with this clip till he finds the spot where it has to go, and when he's satisfied with it, he then can send it off to the post room so it can be sent back to Arthur. We can now show you the completed 6-minute unboxing video. Instructions first. Right, that's X1 there, you tick them off. Now on the inside. There I did.
The front.
Which is the front? This?
Yeah. That's where the handle is, you see? There. And he said he's having trouble with them all.
Yeah, this. That was easy.
Right. So they go that way around, don't they?
Yeah. Well, I hope you found that little video interesting and hopefully entertaining. At the start of this video I said we're having a break in the weather. Well, we just seem to be having a week of rain with one day of good weather in between. That's certainly what's happened this week, and you can see outside and you can probably hear it, the pitter on the roof there. It's done nothing but rain today. But that brings me to the end of this week's upload, and I hope you did enjoy it. And if you've not already done so, please subscribe, and a thumbs up would be nice. And to get further updates, you need to ring that bell. But for now, I'll just say take care of yourself, and hopefully we'll see you again. So take care and bye.